Okay, so we're working on the Golf again today. I'm going to be changing these headlights. These are sort of the standard silver colour ones. If you have not been watching the videos, I've got another donor car there. That's a GT TDi Golf. This is the Sport TDi. So the lights that come with the GT TDi sort of got a grey finish to them. They'll look a bit darker, so hopefully make it look a bit more bad boy. So we're going to go for them, and I'll show you how to fit them right now. Tools you need for this job, really simple. Be easier doing it with a socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver just to get the inserts off. You need a T25 Torx piece and an extension bar. Okay, so let's get started. For this job, pop the bonnet. Okay, and then you need to remove this grill, which is two T25 Torx, one there. And then one on this side. Clips, and then there's another two T25 Torx either side. Do them. I'm just going to start with this light. I'm pretty sure these are different sizes, so just take a note of which ones go where. It's quite light. And there's three screws, three Torx at the top here, but it's just this corner one, again, T25. That's the one you want. And that's a shorter one. And then there's a third one, which is behind this trim panel. So the best thing to do is get a flat screwdriver, wedge it in there, and then just pop that trim out. Just be careful not to break the clips. And then inside this hole there's a third screw in there. So yeah, this is where you need the extension bar and a torch. And it's a bit fiddly to try and get the screw out, so just go steady with it. And, you should be able to get it out. So on the back of the light there's a little electrical socket just there. You need to disconnect that. So that's all disconnected. You need to wiggle it out. Okay. And there she is. So there's the replacement one. Just try and get that little lug over the bumper there. Sort of twist it in. There you go. And then to screw it all back in. Okay, so there you go. They're fitted. Definitely give it a better, meaner look, a bit more modern. I've also stuck a set of LED side light bulbs in, and a set of these H7, and we can see them, H7 Osram night breaker laser lights. These are really bright, so let's have a quick look. Yeah, there you go. Much better. A close up. That way you can see them LED lights in there. Sun's glaring a bit, but see the LED lights in there. So there you go, a nice easy mod. Definitely makes the front look a bit meaner than the stock silver ones. So enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing a lot more mods on this Golf. Any ideas of mods you like to see on it, let me know in the comments below. I'll give it a bit of a clean up today. So the next thing, I reckon, probably sort these wheels out, stick the 17s I got on. Need to do something with that wing at some point. So yeah, that'll do for today. Thanks for watching, see you all soon. Peace.